Hi viewers, welcome to miraztinygarden. This is a ficus rumphii. 4 months before I rescued it from a roof of an old house. You can see this plant in my previous video. You can click the I button if you want to see. In these 4 months, I used only organic fertilizer as it is growing very healthy and leaves are lush green and shiny. The lower trunk is growing thicker than before. I used moss for mulching. Some aerial roots are growing here. Before I prune a branch here, now many new branches are growing here as you can see. I removed a branch there also. To make a bonsai, I decided to cut off the branch here and I will do a slanting cut. After cutting off the upper trunk, it became quite short, just how I wanted it to be. It is a first step, or you can say first styling, for making a bonsai. Here we get a nice curve of this trunk. Now I have to fix this portion. I will remove a very little portion of the edge of the bark near of the wound. I removed a very little portion of the bark here. It will help to heal the wound smoothly. From this side we can see the trunk clearly. If you can notice here, we got a nice taper instantly. A nice taper enhances the beauty of a bonsai and it is very important also. Now I am going to use synthetic resin adhesive. It will seal the cut portion and will prevent the moisture of the trunk. We can also use wax or cut paste. Just like that. And it's done. The branch structure is growing alternatively and it is perfect. And this one is apex. I am going to wiring the branches to give it a desired shape. So at the first I have to remove all the leaves. I am cutting the tips of the branch shorter. I am taking a copper wire. You can see my previous video wiring a hibiscus plant. You can click the I button if you want to see. So do practice, practice makes man perfect. I am bending it carefully to make a shape. It's done. The soil has sufficient moisture, so I am not going to water it. Now I will keep it in a shade for a few days. This cutting can be a good material for bonsai, so I will grow it in a pot. I am going to use rooting powder. Rooting powder stimulates root production and also prevents from fungi attack. Dip the end into rooting powder just like that. Now I will remove all the leaves. Surprisingly, it is looking very small now, isn't it? As you can see, it has a nice branch structure. For planting, soilless potting mix is always better. I kept it in water to retain the moisture when I went to prepare the potting soil. Apply rooting powder once more. Shake it and remove the excess powder. Dig a hole. Now insert the cutting in the hole. Press the soil around the stem firmly so that it cannot shake, otherwise it will not propagate. Just like that. It's done. Now place it in a bowl that contains water. It is best method for watering. Rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. We can shake the moisture touching the surface of the soil also. Now just imagine how this plant is before and after its styling. It's a first styling to make a bonsai, but it has long way to go to become a beautiful bonsai. So let's hope for the best. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video. Bye for now.